What you can tell about Boston?
It has my crazy, silly bitch brother-in-law here.
Good morning! Guys, for today's video, we're going to Walmart with Mama and Sis Karen. It's our day off and we drive today. Nagpalit ako ng jacket, guys. Kasi alam nyo bakit? Kasi ito ang madadatnan mo, oh. Ha? Ito ang madadatnan nyo. Wait lang. Yan. Ayan ang madadatnan nyo. Ayan. Is not today. So, parang ano lang. Diba? Sabihin na. Si Sarah. Ito na naman, Sarah. Hello. Snow. So, ganito ang nangyayari ngayon sa araw na to is nag-snow. Okay? So, ako po maglalakad. Oh my God, look at the snow. Dami na, oh. Si Sarah, kawawa na naman si Sarah ngayon. Kasi alam nyo bakit, ha? Kawawa na naman si Sarah ngayon. Kasi si Miss Minchin, papahirapan na naman niya si Miss Sarah. Okay? So, ganito na naman yan. Magbabalat na naman ng sibuyas si Sarah. Magbabalat ng sibuyas si Sarah. Nag-snow. This is crazy. Mag-shovel tayo. Are you okay, Ma? Feel cold already, Mama? You can go inside the car now. All right. One moment, Mama. All right. Oh, this is going inside. Where's this Karen? Oh. There you are.
I'm standing out there in the damn cold. Ain't happening.
Okay, guys, say hi to everyone.
Hi to everyone.
Oh, ganito ang ang hitsura ng kalsada.
Don't believe me.
Buong
Tell me the
paligid.
truth. Don't believe me.
No, that's good. It's okay. Just videoing the road. Yan, ang mama ko. My mama and my sister. Dito na kami, guys. Grabe, oh. Ganito talaga ang tsura niya. Nakakaloka. What you can tell about Boston if you're gonna compare Atlanta?
It has my crazy, silly bitch brother-in-law here.
Oh, nakakaloka siya, oh. Diba? Ito na nakakainis eh pag winter dito kasi basa yung road, tapos yung yellow, kailangan mo mag-snowbell. Linisin mo yung roof ng car nyo if wala kayong garahian, diba? Perwisyo talaga, promise. So marami kang maano pag sa mga state na nag-i-snow, ito yung madadatnan mo. Kung sa mga naman sa walang snow, tao naman. Mga taong races at saka mga redneck na, Yun ang may encounter mo sa mga state na walang snow. Yan, grabe na, nakakaloka na. Nakakaloka. Nakakaloka. Can you say it again? Guys, kaka-start lang ng snow. Tignan mo kung anong meron dito sa labas. Okay? Tignan niyo po. Nakakaloka yung bike namin. Punong-puno ng snow. Ito. Pag binubuksan mo to sa back, ito yung back door namin dito. Tignan mo. Nakakaloka. Ano? Tignan mo. Ang daming snow. Nakakaloka. Yung bike namin, yung minsan kami nag-grill. Nakakaloka. Tignan mo yan. Yan, puro snow. Ano ba? Nakakaloka to. Tignan mo yan, oh. Yung ano namin, oh, yung sahig sa labas, puro snow. Nakakaloka. Nakakaloka talaga, promise. Yung bike namin, paano na lang yan? Magkakalawang na yan. Yan, yung isa doon. Kapitbahay namin. Ito yung first day of snow. Kaloka. Paano na lang after 1 month? Do you think, what do you think after 1 month? I hate this kind of things. I don't like snow anymore. So for those people who love snow, I don't think so. If you're Asian, I dare you, my dear. Only the first time. Yes, you're ignorant. And then after a few months, the snow still going on. Bitch, don't tell me you like, don't tell me that you still love snow, okay? I will slap the face of you with no love.